Hello friends, let's discuss current affairs from 15 to 18 June. Question number 1. Which state observed the Mask Day on 18 June 2020? It was Karnataka. Explanation: on 18 June 2020, Karnataka observed Mask Day to create awareness about the importance of wearing a mask as a preventive measure against COVID-19. If we talk about Karnataka population 6.41 crore. Now Chief Minister is B.S. Yedurappa, capital is Bengaluru, and governor is Vajubhai Vala. Second question: which state has launched Karmo Bhumi portal to help IT professional? Karmo Bhumi, it has been launched by West Bengal. West Bengal Chief Minister is now Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee belongs to TMC, Trinamool Congress Party. अच्छा, वेस्ट बंगाल चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी लॉन्च्ड कर्मो भूमि पोर्टल टू हेल्प IT professionals who return to Bengal after losing job in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. If we talk about West Bengal population 9.03 crore. Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar and capital is Kolkata. Third question: India was elected as the non-permanent member of the UN Security Council with how many votes? See, in UN Security Council, 5 permanent members: US, UK, France, Russia and China, and 10 non-permanent members are selected for 2 years. 5 permanent members are selected each year, 5 members. So this time from Indo-Pacific region, India was the only country, and out of 193 votes, India got 184 votes. Because for becoming a member, one has to secure 2/3 votes, but India got much more than required. एक्सप्लेन देखते हैं. India was elected to the UN Security Council as a non-permanent member for a 2-year term on June 17, 2020. India received overwhelming support from UN member states, winning 184 seats out of the total 192 valid votes polled on 193 member UN General Assembly. तो UNO was established on 24 October 1945 and okay, next question देखते हैं. Volkan Bozkır has been elected unopposed as the president of the 75th UN General Assembly. He belongs to Turkey. देखो, Turkish diplomat Volkan Bozkır was elected unopposed as the president of 75th UN General Assembly in September 2020. Bozkır candidature were endorsed from among the Western European and other states. अगर टर्की के बारे में बात करें तो टर्की इज ए कंट्री ऑफ मिडिल ईस्ट. इट्स स्पीकर इज मुस्तफा सेंटव, कैपिटल इज अंकारा, करेंसी तुर्किश लिरा एंड पॉपुलेशन 8.2 करोड़. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: विच कंट्री विल होस्ट एशियन यूथ पैरा गेम्स 2021? इट इज बहरीन. बहरीन इज नियर बाई टू दिस सऊदी अरेबिया. अच्छा देखो, Bahrain has been chosen as the Asian Paralympic Committee as the host country for the 4th edition of the Asian Youth Para Games to be held from December 1 to 10 in 2021. Bahrain is country in Middle East. Bahrain capital is Manama. Currency Bahrain dinar. Population 15.7 lakh, and it is in continent of Asia. It is part of Arabian Peninsula. Sixth question देखते हैं. Which among these firms has been appointed as the auditor for the PM Cares Fund? जो PM केयर फंड है इसके लिए सार्क एंड एसोसिएट्स. एक्सप्लेनेशन देते हैं. द ट्रस्टी ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर सिटीजन्स असिस्टेंस एंड रिलीफ इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन PM केयर्स फंड हैव अपॉइंटेड सार्क एंड एसोसिएट्स चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट न्यू दिल्ली एज द ऑडिटर ऑफ द फंड फॉर 3 years. द फर्म सार्क एंड एसोसिएट इज headed by Sunil Kumar Gupta is heading. Seventh question: in which state India established the first ever infectious disease diagnostic lab? It is in New Delhi. India's first infectious disease diagnostic lab is now ready. This rapid response mobile laboratory is part of the government's Atmanirbhar Bharat. Eighth question: which has become the top state in country to provide employment to workers under MGNREGA, मनरेगा? So it is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath. देखो, उत्तर प्रदेश हैज बिकम द टॉप स्टेट इन द कंट्री टू प्रोवाइड एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू द वर्कर्स अंडर द महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी स्कीम मनरेगा. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट उत्तर प्रदेश इज द हैविंग पॉपुलेशन ऑफ 20.42 maximum population in our country. Capital is Lucknow. Governor is Anandived Patel and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. अच्छा, Achyut Uskaonkar, who passed away recently, was the former minister of he was minister of Goa. Former Goa minister Achyut Kasinath Singh has passed away following age-related ailments. He was 92. He served as the cabinet minister from August 13, 1997 to April 27, 1979. गोवा की यदि बात करें तो गोवा पॉपुलेशन 18.2 लाख, कैपिटल पणजी एंड चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रबोध सावंत. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द इंडियन कंपनीज विच हैव फीचर्ड इन 2020 टेक्नोलॉजी पायोनियर्स लिस्ट ऑफ WEF वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम. तो वर्ल्ड का इसमें है जेस्ट मनी एंड स्टेपल्स. सेकंड ऑप्शन करेंट. टू इंडियन फर्म्स नेमली जेस्ट मनी एंड स्टेपल्स have figured in the 2020 Technology Pioneers list released by the World Economic Forum on 16 June 2020. World Economic Forum has recently released Energy Transition Index, in which India has got 74th rank. 11th question, how many Khelo India state centers of excellence to be set up across country under Khelo India scheme? तो ये होंगे 8. The Sports Ministry is all set to establish Khelo India State Center of Excellence under Khelo India scheme. जैसे 12 देखते हैं. अभी फिच रेटिंग ने रेटिंग दी थी, उससे पहले मूडी ने भी दी थी, तो दोनों ने खराब रेटिंग ही दी है. व्हाट इज द रिवाइज्ड सॉवरेन रेटिंग फॉर इंडिया इन द लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट ऑफ द फिच रेटिंग, दैट इज BBB नेगेटिव, BBB नेगेटिव. ये लोएस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट रैंक है. फिच रेटिंग हैज रिवाइज्ड इंडियाज लॉन्ग टर्म आउटलुक to negative from stable, citing risk due to continued acceleration in the number of new COVID-19 cases as lockdown is eased gradually in the country. The global rating agency has affirmed the country's sovereign rating as BB negative, the lowest investment grade. 30%. PM Narendra Modi launched the auction of how many coal mines? These are 41 coal mines. PM Narendra Modi launched the auction of 41 coal mines for commercial mining through video conference on June 18, 2020. The launch is part of the announcement that were made by the center under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. 14th question, recently a temple believed to be 500 years old has been found in the Mahanadi river. In which state? This is in Odisha. Temple believed to 500 years old has been found in Mahanadi river in Odisha. अगर उड़ीसा की बात करें, उड़ीसा कैपिटल भुवनेश्वर, गवर्नर हैं गणेशी लाल और चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं नवीन पटनायक, बीजू जनता दल पार्टी के. 15th क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द थीम फॉर दिस ईयर्स वर्ल्ड डे टू कॉम्बैट डिजर्टिफिकेशन एंड ड्रॉट? तो ये थी फूड फीड फाइबर्स. द वर्ल्ड डे टू कॉम्बैट डिजर्टिफिकेशन एंड ड्रॉट इज ए यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑब्जर्वेंस ईच June 17. Its purpose is to raise awareness for the presence of desertification and drought, highlighting methods of preventing desertification and recovering from drought. This year, the theme for World Day to combat desertification and drought is food, feed, fiber. So this was for the day. Thank you.